Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo Y95 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card in Vivo Y95 smartphone. Just flip down your phone and there will be a hole in the side of your phone. You have to use SIM ejector tool into the hole. This is the SIM ejector tool. And you got to insert into the hole and push down. And the SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out. Now keep your phone aside and see here there are 3 slots available. The first slot is for SIM 1 and second slot is for SIM 2 and third slot is for SD card. So you can put 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card here. Now place first SIM in the slot 1 and place second SIM in the slot 2. And place micro SD card in the third slot. And keep the SIM tray in this position and insert into the phone. Bring your phone again. And simply insert into the hole. And now check whether the signals are receiving or not. Yes, signals are there and the notification has also come. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.